Hi, so we're back. This is part 2 of Grandma's recipe box. Grandma Marge. I don't think I said Grandma Marge in the first part. So yes, this is her army green color tin recipe box. And we're going through here. I'm looking for some recipes, maybe to do some meal planning, to try some things that I haven't tried before. I'm mainly looking for savory dishes for meals, but there are a lot of desserts in here, and so there's a couple things, and we're going to pull out and see what recipes we find for some interesting desserts. So let's keep going. And let me show, so if you haven't seen it, we just finished with the part 1. We finished with eggs, a dozen in the carton for 1 cent. It is 2023, and eggs are not anywhere near 1 cent for $1. And this is the Miami Daily News, Wednesday, October 12th, 1949. That's the date on this women's magazine. Well, actually, it's a newspaper. Sorry. I say magazine because on the other side where all the cookie recipes are, it's from Women's Magazine. So maybe they took an excerpt from the magazine and put it in the paper. I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. All right, this looks like another, from another publication. I don't know if we'll find a date. We have, let's see. I don't know, what is that? Oh, okay, so here it is. New variety for cakes, cookies, and desserts. Diamond gingerbread. So this is a gingerbread recipe. Looks good. I don't see a date here. That's kind of a bummer. Oh, this might be from a packaging. Keep under refrigeration. Bake-in directions. Oh, so this is for a ham. This is like directions for a branded ham. Cute. There's a recipe for old-fashioned glaze. I'm assuming for the ham. Try this coconut cream pie. Grandma loved her desserts. New water whip pie crust. Homogenized spry. Chocolate raspberry cake. So this has a recipe for chocolate raspberry cake. And I guess this is the item that the recipe was on. Let's see if... For all you bake or fry, use homogenized spry. So I guess that's like a shortening type thing, like a Crisco type something. Okay. So here's like a Market's advertisement for groceries. And then on the front, it's savory oyster stuffing. Ugh, I don't think I want to try that. Basic bread stuffing, apple raisin stuffing, corn stuffing. All right, so there's other stuffings. So we'll put that aside. In the savory. Snowflake pie, Jell-O, whipped cream, shredded coconut. Okay. There's another publication, like newspaper. Oh, and there's another advertisement for the spry, Arabian spice cake, and a quick fudge frosting. And on the back, I think these are swimsuits, satin latex bathing suits. $7.95 for the solid colors, and $9.95 for the zebra striped in royal red or brown and white. that. $8 and $10 for bathing suit. Sizes 14 to 20. Sizes 14 to 20. So they started at 14, they went to 20. That's normal. 14 to 20. No date. Oh, here's a little book. Oh, this is this Borden? Oh, no, what is this? Is it? Okay. Daisy. I don't know why I'm thinking if it's Borden. Like, if it's Borden, it has to be good. I'm remembering that line. All right. So what do we have? Mincemeat. Oh, it opens like, oh, this is like a waxed paper. Mince pie, pie crust, Father's Fancy, it's a pie, orange cream mince pie, sour cream mince pie, pineapple mince pie, none such prize cookies, hot mint sauce, cookies, fruit cake, brown Betty Deluxe, cottage pudding, apple mince cake, buttermilk mincemeat pinwheels, brandy fruit loaf cake, baked stuffed apples, none such turnovers. I was looking, I guess it's none such. None such is the brand, but this is familiar. This was called something else when I was growing up. So I don't know if the company sold or what happened, but this is something else. That was a dairy growing up that I recognized, a dairy brand, and I think the dairy was in Miami and Broward. Oh, here's a cake, Christmas cake. I'm running out of time again. We're gonna have a part 3. I think this is a frosting mix. Eggs, water, oil, Jell-O. It's Jell-O cake. Fat meal. Oh gosh, I don't know what that says. Fat meal something. The writing's really faded also. But it uses spry. Don't know. Oh, this is like a grocery list, like a receipt. Henry L. Baker, Miami, Florida. Has the different grocery items, and then like there's quantity and the price, and then you write the total down here. So that's like a grocer's ticket. Cream icing. Oh gosh. Apple custard pie. I guess pies are easy to make, so they just like throw together, and if you take them, you know, if you're visiting someone, it was just easy to do that. And then there's a peanut butter something. I guess it's a peanut butter pie. It's cracking me up. There's another recipe with 2 cups or half a cup of spry. It's very good. Old time sugar cookies. No. This is a cocoa cake. And then Carrie's Devil's Food Cake. Or Kay's. It's Kay's Devil Food Cake. Aunt Kay. Maybe it was Aunt Kay's. Alright, here's a little piece of paper with 3-hole punch. Like a binder. Ice cream. Oh, this is to make ice cream. Cream, milk, frozen fruit, gelatin envelope, eggs, and sugar. Yay! Okay, we're going to have a part 3. So I'll see you in the next one.